Japanese engineer and professor Hiroshi Ishiguro unveiled an ultra-realistic humanoid robot named Katsura Beicho, created in honor of the legendary Japanese Rakugo master Katsura Beicho. This project is unique in its kind, combining advanced robotics technology with the aim of preserving and promoting Japanese cultural heritage. The robot can replicate the movements that Katsura Beicho used during his performances. Using motion capture technology, the master's gestures and poses were recorded, enabling the robot to imitate movements such as arm waving, head tilting, and even reproducing his famous raspy voice. Although the robot's mouth may not appear very expressive upon close inspection, from a distance its appearance and movements closely resemble the original master. The realization of his behavior, speech, and gestures makes it truly impressive for viewers. The project took about 2 months to complete and cost nearly $1 million. The Japanese research institute Riken has developed an android called Android Avatar as part of the Moonshot Research and Development Program. The goal of the project is to develop robots that can replace humans in complex or dangerous conditions, as well as assist in elderly care and remote work processes by 2050. These androids allow humans to control them remotely, using AI and sensor technologies to perform delicate and precise operations, such as in medicine or engineering. The androids can also replicate human movements with high precision, opening up vast possibilities in areas like industry, healthcare, household assistance, and even space exploration. The primary focus is on integrating these technologies into everyday life to expand human capabilities and make people less dependent on physical limitations. A robot dog shot its owner, who was a blogger, with a flamethrower during a live stream to stop him from barking. American streamer and YouTuber Darren Watkins Jr., known as iShowSpeed, was attacked by a robot dog equipped with a flamethrower during a live broadcast. During the stream, he gave the robot dog various commands which it obediently followed. When the streamer said bark and imitated a dog's bark, the robot fired a flamethrower in his direction. Seeing the fire, iShowSpeed quickly jumped into a pool, calling for the machine to stop. The robot fired a few more shots toward the pool before shutting down. The robot in the video, called Thermonator, is a combination of the Chinese Unitree Go-2 robot dog and a flamethrower from the American company Throwflame. According to Throwflame's official website, this device costs $9,420. Throwflame released the world's first robot dog with a flamethrower, positioning it as a tool for controlled agricultural burns, snow and ice clearing, or creating special effects. In 2015, Italian engineer and robotics expert Sergio Gagliotti and his team developed an incredibly realistic android of Leonardo da Vinci. The android was created as part of the Expo 2015 exhibition in Milan, and the goal of the project was to honor one of the greatest minds in history, Leonardo da Vinci. The Leonardo da Vinci android was built with a high degree of realism, featuring movable limbs, including hands and fingers, and can perform gestures similar to those seen in famous portraits of Leonardo. The robot is also capable of interacting with audiences, engaging in dialogues using pre-programmed phrases. It can share stories about the life and achievements of Leonardo da Vinci, making it an interactive educational tool. Japanese engineers continue to amaze, creating a robot which is truly impressive. The giant robot is named AV-98 Ingram, a prototype of the well-known character from the Patlabor franchise. AV-98 Ingram is an anthropomorphic robot, and its dimensions are awe-inspiring. The robot stands 8 meters tall and weighs about 6 tons. Although this robot is not fully autonomous and is not designed for free movement, its body parts such as the head, arms, and torso can move. The robot can raise its arms, turn its head, and even stand up from a standing position on a platform. Inside the robot, there are complex drive systems that allow it to move smoothly and demonstrate its mechanisms in action. Some parts are manually controlled using remote controls to ensure precise movements. The robot is equipped with lighting and sound systems that play characteristic sounds and phrases from the Patlabor anime, enhancing the sense of presence and making it a part of a live show. The company Tesalo has developed the Delto Gripper robotic arm, an advanced gripper with 3 fingers and 12 degrees of freedom. This model, named DG3F, can perform precise tasks such as manipulating objects with complex shapes, making it indispensable for use in industries, logistics, and research. Each finger of the robot has 4 joints, allowing it to easily adapt to various objects without the need for tool changes. The arm can perform tasks such as assembling components, gripping and moving items, sorting and stacking, and handling small objects, including paper or business cards. Additionally, the Delta Gripper features a built-in algorithm that prevents collisions during operation, ensuring both safety and precision. The arm can handle objects weighing up to 10 kilograms and offers high reliability and durability, thanks to the finger joints made of titanium. Specialists from IHMC Robotics and Boardwalk Robotics have showcased the development process of their advanced robot named Nadia, which, according to a recently released video, is already honing new boxing skills. The robot is designed to perform tasks in dangerous environments for humans, such as participating in rescue missions or space exploration. According to the developers, Nadia is currently one of the most complex humanoid robots in terms of design. Its 29 joints allow for a wide range of movements. This intricate mechanism is intended so that the operator controlling the robot can act intuitively without having to think about how to use the manipulators correctly. IHMC Robotics hopes that their creation will serve as a prototype for future robots and could also be useful for military purposes. The recently created android avatar Yui is one of the latest projects in robotics designed to interact with people in various situations. It belongs to a class of avatar androids that can serve as guides, assistants, or media representatives, functioning at the intersection of robotics and artificial intelligence. Yui was developed by Japanese engineers as part of a technological project to create realistic androids. The robot's appearance has been carefully crafted using high-quality materials, such as silicone, to create a lifelike skin texture. Yui has a wide range of movements thanks to a complex system of actuators. It can move its head, arms, and even fingers with great precision. Its facial expression system allows the robot to display various emotions, from a smile to surprise. The robot is equipped with speech recognition and voice synthesis systems, enabling it to engage in simple conversations with visitors. The Japanese company Sagawa Electronics has unveiled the revolutionary powered jacket MK3 exoskeleton. Weighing about 25 kilograms, this exoskeleton lifts the user to an impressive height of 2.1 meters. Its main purpose is to enhance the user's strength and height, improving their physical capabilities in everyday life. The powered jacket MK3 is not just an entertainment gadget, but a fully functional system designed for practical use. The exoskeleton can assist with tasks like climbing stairs, make running easier, or even perform delicate tasks, such as cracking egg as demonstrated in one of the videos. The Power Jacket MK3 features a total of 14 servo motors, and its arms are currently capable of lifting up to 15 kilograms. However, the Powered Jacket MK3 comes with a high price tag of around $123,000, making it a luxury item for those who dream of feeling stronger and taller. Engineer Dave Nowinski from the YouTube channel Dave's Armory created a unique amusement ride for his children, using an industrial robotic arm called the KUKA KR-150. The manipulator moves a seat mounted at the end of its arm along pre-programmed trajectories, simulating the experience of a real amusement park ride. To enhance the immersive effect, a screen is placed in front of the child, synchronizing visuals with the robot's movements, giving the impression that they are riding a real roller coaster. Special attention has been given to safety. The robot's movements are limited to ensure they don't exceed 1G, guaranteeing a comfortable and safe ride. Additionally, the setup includes safety belts, laser sensors, and an emergency stop button that can instantly halt the robot if necessary. The Dexterous Hands RH56DFX series robotic hand from Inspire Robots Company is an advanced solution for use in robotics and prosthetics. It features an innovative linear actuator with 6 miniature servos and 6 built-in pressure sensors. These sensors provide high precision and flexibility in performing complex gripping tasks, mimicking the movements of a human hand. One of the key features of this hand is its 6 degrees of freedom and 12 motorized joints, allowing it to perform a wide range of movements and effectively manipulate objects. The robotic hand supports the robot operating system, making it easier to integrate into robotic systems and enabling its use in complex operations. This model can be utilized both in robots and as prosthetics, providing reliable grip and movement control. The Japanese have created a robot twin of the famous writer Natsume Soseki. A team of researchers from Nishogakusha University, along with Professor Hiroshi Ishiguro's group, Japan's most renowned creator of humanoid robots from Osaka University, worked on the development of the android. The robot was presented to the public in a recognizable form, as depicted on the 1,000 yen banknote. To ensure the android closely resembled Natsume Soseki, researchers used his photographs, data on his height and weight, his death mask, and even the voice of his grandson. The robot can interact with people and perform pre-programmed movements, creating a realistic impression. It is planned to be used for educational purposes, such as reading Natsume Soseki's works aloud to children. Additionally, the android will be employed to develop speech capabilities and dialogue skills. A popular YouTuber named Freak Vermeulen decided to conduct an unusual experiment, showing how he interacted with one of the most advanced humanoid robots, Neo, from the Norwegian company 1X, over the course of 48 hours. During the experiment, the robot assisted with household tasks such as cooking, cleaning, and even interacting with other smart home devices. It's important to note that the interaction with this robot feels more like natural communication rather than giving commands, opening new possibilities for how robots can be integrated into daily life. These robots are capable of analyzing their surroundings, making decisions based on the information they receive, and adjusting their actions accordingly. This makes them useful not only for household tasks, but also for more precise jobs, such as assisting the elderly or people with disabilities. The British company Moley Robotics has created the world's first personal chef robot that cooks and cleans up after itself. The robot kitchen is a suspended system with 2 mobile manipulators, whose movements mimic the delicate hand motions of a professional chef. The robot was trained in proper kitchen techniques and sequences by British chef Tim Anderson. Anderson's cooking methods were captured in 3D and then transformed into the robot's movements using algorithms. The device confidently replicates hand movements, retrieves ingredients from a smart refrigerator, adjusts temperatures, uses cookware in the sink, mixes, measures ingredients, and performs other tasks. The price of the robot is comparable to that of an average townhouse in the UK or a small yacht, around $333,000. Despite this, the developer has already received 1,200 inquiries from potential buyers. According to the developers, the robot's menu will be expanded monthly, and it is expected that the number of available recipes will eventually exceed 5,000. The German company Schunk has developed the Schunk 5-finger hand, a manipulator that mimics the human hand and provides high precision and sensitivity when gripping objects. The manipulator is equipped with 9 actuators, allowing it to perform complex operations with objects of various shapes and sizes. Thanks to its elastic gripping surfaces and built-in electronics, the Schunk hand can safely operate in collaborative environments where robots interact with humans, such as on production lines or in robotic service. Another unique feature of the SVH is gesture control, which enables it to facilitate communication between humans and robots. The primary application of this robot involves tasks requiring high delicacy, such as assembling electronics or handling medical equipment. The humanoid robot, based on the Japanese entrepreneur and philosopher Eiichi Shibusawa, is a unique project realized by the company A-Lab and Professor Hiroshi Ishiguro, who oversaw the technological aspects of the robot's production. This robot was created for historical and educational purposes to demonstrate Shibusawa's ideas about morality in business. Known as the father of Japanese capitalism, Shibusawa was an advocate for combining commercial profit with public interest. The android was modeled after Shibusawa at the age of 70. The standing replica is dressed in Western clothing and stands 153 centimeters tall, matching the real height of this pioneer of Japanese industry. The robot's artificial voice was created based on recordings of Shibusawa's own voice. The production cost around $800,000, including the creation of another Shibusawa android. At CES 2020, Sarcos Robotics Company unveiled the unique Guardian XO exoskeleton in collaboration with Delta Airlines. This innovative suit was designed to enhance the physical abilities of workers, especially in industries requiring heavy manual labor, such as air transportation. The Guardian XO is the world's first full-body battery-powered exoskeleton, allowing the operator to lift 90 kilograms without fatigue or strain. During the CES presentation, the exoskeleton was showcased in an impressive demonstration where the operator effortlessly lifted 68-kilogram suitcases and even performed dance moves showcasing its agility. The exoskeleton's batteries are easily replaceable, allowing for up to 8 hours of continuous operation. This invention not only amplifies the operator's strength by 20 times, but also provides freedom of movement and intuitive control through built-in sensors. The basketball robot Q4 from Toyota became the first humanoid robot to participate in a long-range shooting contest before the All-Star Game. Standing 208 centimeters tall and weighing around 100 kilograms, the robot made 11 out of 25 three-point shots, achieving an accuracy of 44%, which is comparable to the world's best basketball players. Engineers developed special algorithms to ensure its precise shots, helping the robot calculate the ball's trajectory, angle, and shooting force based on the distance to the hoop. Q4 is made of carbon fiber, equipped with 15 joints and 23 electric motors, and can grab the ball with its hand. The robot determines the basket's location using sensors on its torso. Then it uses its motors to position its arms and legs correctly for shots at the right angle and force. Developers continue to improve the robot, aiming to have it participate in more complex sports tasks and potentially expand its abilities to other sports. The Chinese company Kepler Exploration Robot Company, which introduced its latest general-purpose humanoid robot Kepler Forerunner this winter, has announced an update to the robot model. The developers promise to shock the world with their new release. Currently, the robot stands at 178 centimeters tall and weighs 85 kilograms. The Forerunner series robots are intended for use in industries such as manufacturing, logistics, facility inspections, and high-risk tasks, including outdoor operations. The robot's body and limbs are covered with colored decorative panels, and its hands are equipped with human-like manipulators featuring 5 movable fingers. The facial part of the head, which resembles a helmet, is covered by a black light-permeable visor. Beneath it, there's a wide-angle binocular camera. Kepler can hear using an array of 4 long-range microphones and communicates via a voice module through built-in speakers. The preliminary cost of the robot is set at $30,000. The humanoid robot Figure 01 from Figure AI recently appeared on the show 60 Minutes, where it showcased its abilities and the advanced technologies used in its creation. It demonstrated walking, grasping, and carrying objects, as well as smooth arm movements. The demonstration was impressive due to Figure 01's ability to perceive visual scenes and take actions based on human reasoning. When presented with a basket of oranges and snacks, the robot was asked to give the person something healthy, and it unhesitatingly picked the fruit from the basket and handed it to the person. Figure 01 is designed as a versatile working robot capable of performing various physical tasks. Its design and motor system allow it to move around factories and warehouses, lift objects, and work in industrial environments. Figure AI aims to make the robot useful for factories and businesses by automating tasks that require physical labor. The next-stage industrial robot from Japan's Kawada Industries is ideal for automating manufacturing processes. Next-stage's key features include its ability to work alongside humans, performing repetitive tasks such as assembly, inspection, and packaging. Weighing 20 kilograms, the robot stands 73 centimeters tall with a 60 centimeters reach. It has 2 arms with 6 degrees of freedom, enabling it to manipulate objects, assemble parts, and carry out other tasks on production lines. The robot can handle parts weighing up to 1.5 kilograms and use tools up to 3 kilograms. Next Stage is also equipped with a stereo vision system, allowing it to accurately determine 3D coordinates, and an LED display on its body to show its current work status. The robot's height can be adjusted to suit production needs. The platform on which the robots are mounted features electronic markers, ensuring that even if the robot is moved, it can continue operating in the same mode by adjusting its actions accordingly. Rethink Robotics Company has introduced a new generation of collaborative robots in the form of Sawyer, designed to automate industrial tasks and capable of working alongside humans without barriers. Sawyer adapts and learns, surpassing human speed in its operations. The robot is equipped with a single mechanical arm featuring 7 degrees of freedom, allowing it to reach hard-to-access areas and operate in confined spaces. It weighs 19 kilograms, with an arm length of 1.2 meters and a payload capacity of 4 kilograms. The robot's interactive screen, which displays its face, simplifies interaction with operators. Built-in force and torque sensors enable Sawyer to monitor its movements and avoid collisions, ensuring safe operation near humans. The robot is also equipped with a high-resolution camera that helps it recognize objects and perform tasks requiring visual precision. Sanctuary AI Company has showcased progress in the development of its humanoid robot named Phoenix. The robot has learned new skills, such as dusting, sorting objects, brewing coffee, and pouring drinks. It is equipped with a unique AI-driven control system called Carbon, which enables it to demonstrate human-like cognitive abilities. Phoenix stands 170 centimeters tall and weighs 70 kilograms, making it comparable to human size. It can lift loads of up to 20 kilograms and move at speeds of up to 4.8 kilometers per hour. One of its key features is its hands, which have 20 degrees of freedom, making them incredibly flexible and capable of performing delicate manipulation tasks. Thanks to tactile feedback technology, the robot can sense objects much like a human. In terms of applications, Phoenix has already been tested in various scenarios, ranging from packing and sorting goods to labeling and cleaning environments. Here is a unique exoskeleton robot from Sacros Robotics Company. The main purpose of the exoskeleton robot, called Guardian GT, is to move massive loads. The robot's impressive technical specifications deserve special attention. The machine, equipped with manipulators about 2 meters long, precisely mimics human movements and is equipped with a tactile feedback system. Each manipulator has a lifting capacity of 225 kilograms. If the robot lifts a load weighing around 450 kilograms, the operator will feel as if they are holding an object weighing no more than 2 kilograms. The operator can also feel surrounding objects through the robot's hand. The developers plan to use this loader not only in construction and industry, but also for disaster relief and working in hazardous environments, as the operator can be positioned at a significant distance from the work area. Japanese engineers continue to amaze. The company Kokoro, in collaboration with the Hideo Noguchi Memorial Museum, has created a humanoid robot modeled after the renowned Japanese doctor Hideo Noguchi. The robot, which closely resembles Noguchi in appearance, including his eyebrows and beard, serves as an interactive guide for museum visitors. It is equipped with a system that allows it to answer visitors' questions, including sharing stories about Noguchi's research and life. The robot can make gestures, speak, and explain his scientific achievements. Not only does it move and imitate human gestures, but it can also engage in dialogue with visitors, narrating the life and work of Noguchi. The main goal of the android is to make learning about Noguchi's accomplishments engaging and interactive, bringing history to life for future generations. Elon Musk announced that Tesla plans to deploy over 1,000 Optimus robots at its factories next year. He stated that this would significantly increase the company's value. Musk emphasized that the market for humanoid robots is approximately 1 billion units per year, and Tesla aims to capture at least 10% of that market. According to him, Tesla plans to produce the robots at a cost of about $10,000 per unit and sell them for $20,000. Recently, the company announced that 2 Optimus robots are already working autonomously at one of its factories. Musk added that next year, Tesla intends to deploy between 1,000 and several thousand robots at its facilities, although deliveries to customers are not yet planned. Elon is confident that by 2026, Optimus will become a fully programmable robot capable of performing a wide range of tasks. The Optimus, also known as the Tesla bot, is a humanoid robot designed for various tasks. Standing 173 centimeters tall and weighing 73 kilograms, it can carry loads of up to 20 kilograms and lift up to 68 kilograms. The robot is equipped with a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery, providing a full day's charge, and uses about 100 watts at rest and up to 500 watts while walking. Optimus can walk, squat, balance on one leg, and lift and move objects. It is controlled by AI similar to that used in Tesla vehicles, relying on visual navigation and capable of learning real-world tasks by mimicking human actions. The robot can connect to Wi-Fi and LTE, allowing for easy remote software updates. The French startup Pazzi Robotics has developed the world's first fully autonomous robot for making pizza. The main feature of Pazzi is its robotic pizzeria, where the entire pizza-making process is automated, from kneading the dough to baking and serving. The robots are capable of producing up to 100 pizzas per hour, significantly increasing productivity without sacrificing quality. The entire process is controlled by software called Mike, which handles scheduling, inventory management, quality control, and product tracking through sensors and computer vision systems. In addition to high-tech automation, Pazzi places great emphasis on food quality. A three-time world pizza champion Thierry Graffagnino has been involved in developing the recipes. As a result, the pizzas made by the robots are not only quick to prepare, but also taste excellent. Samsung showcased a fully automated smartphone manufacturing process at one of its factories in Gumi, South Korea. In these factories, robots play a key role in assembling devices, minimizing human involvement, and significantly speeding up production. After receiving all the necessary components, robots initiate the installation process using automated systems that ensure high precision. Following this, the devices undergo soldering and assembly of the casings, where all parts of the device are connected into a single structure. The most remarkable aspect is that humans are almost entirely absent from the assembly process, because robots play a crucial role at every stage. Factories like the one in Gumi are renowned not only for their production innovations, but also for being important research and development centers, helping Samsung maintain its leadership in the smartphone market. The world's first fully robotized cafe lounge called Ratio Cafe and Lounge has opened in Singapore. Located in the Centrepoint Mall, the venue offers visitors a unique experience by using robots to prepare beverages. The cafe is equipped with robotic arms that can make over 50 different types of drinks, including coffee, cocktails, tea, and other signature beverages. Guests can place orders through a mobile application or via interactive screens at the cafe. Once the order is placed, the robotic arms automatically mix and serve the drinks with high precision, ensuring consistent quality and taste. In addition to beverages, Ratio also offers various snacks and dishes such as salads, toasts, and desserts. Engineers from Naver Labs have unveiled their advanced robot named Ambidex, which boasts unique capabilities. This two-armed robot with 7 degrees of freedom can perform a variety of tasks, from household chores like peeling potatoes and opening bottles to more complex activities such as playing basketball. One of Ambidex's key features is its cable-driven system, which provides high precision and safety when working alongside humans. Thanks to its lightweight design and special construction, the robot can move quickly without posing a threat to people. For instance, it can give a high five without causing harm. The robot is controlled via a tactile device, allowing the operator to directly manage its actions with high sensitivity. Ambidex is already actively showcasing its abilities in the company's labs, performing tasks such as washing dishes and cleaning food products. Today, the world of robotics welcomed a new player. Chinese company Pudu Robotics unveiled its next-generation humanoid robot Pudu D7. Pudu D7 stands 165 centimeters tall and weighs 45 kilograms. Its arm span is 65 centimeters, making its physical dimensions close to that of a human. The robot has 30 degrees of freedom, which increases to 50 when equipped with dexterous hands, allowing it to perform a wide range of tasks requiring high precision and flexibility. The Pudu D7's chassis supports omnidirectional movement with 360-degree rotation, reaching a maximum speed of 2 meters per second. The robot can operate stably on slopes of up to 10 degrees. With a battery capacity of over 1 kilowatt-hour, it can function autonomously for more than 8 hours, making it a reliable assistant throughout a workday. Its bionic arm has a lifting capacity of up to 10 kilograms, with a positioning accuracy of 0.1 millimeters. Pudu D7 is expected to hit the market in 2025. A team of Russian engineers from the YouTube channel Contrafact Studio decided to create a series of powerful exoskeletons that have caught the interest of the Russian military. A soldier using such a development would gain impressive abilities that enhance human physical capabilities. After numerous tests of the exoskeleton prototype, the engineers concluded that it's possible to shoot effectively from a rifle or machine gun using just one hand. Additionally, according to the designer's calculations, a proper combat exoskeleton would allow a soldier to move during combat at speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour and carry up to 100 kilograms of useful load. Unlike passive exoskeletons, active designs that increase muscle strength use an autonomous power source. While manufacturing many elements of the exoskeleton is already feasible, the necessary battery with the required parameters has not yet been developed. Overall, this is a very promising development that could significantly increase the strength of both military personnel and civilians. This is another promising development from the same engineers. The main advantage of the Mark IV-M model is that it can be used in both active and passive modes. This means that the exoskeleton can enhance the soldier's physical capabilities while moving through rough terrain or mountains using servo motors, direct drive electric motors powered by batteries. The passive mode activates when the person moves on flat surfaces with a load. One of the key benefits of this prototype, which could become part of Soldiers of the Future gear, is the reduction of stress on the human musculoskeletal system by 50%, which in turn improves key combat characteristics. In other words, the exoskeleton reduces energy expenditure during running and walking by 15%, allows carrying up to 60 kilograms of load, and improves the accuracy of shooting automatic weapons by 20%. South Korean engineers from Tesalo unveiled a new robotic gripper DG3F at CES 2024, one of the world's largest tech exhibitions. This three-fingered gripper with 12 joints is designed to significantly improve the flexibility and precision of robotic manipulations, offering a solution for complex tasks in industrial and scientific applications. A key feature of the DG3F is its ability to handle various materials and irregularly shaped objects. Its combination of mobility and accuracy enables operations such as assembling intricate parts or delicately working with fragile materials. The device's technical specifications are also impressive. The DG3F operates at 24 volts and consumes up to 10 amperes, allowing it to hold objects weighing up to 10 kilograms, despite its own light weight of just 1 kilogram. The Japanese company RT Corporation recently unveiled its humanoid robot named Foodly, which was developed for the food industry. Foodly is designed to automate the process of preparing and packaging meals. The robot was created in response to the growing labor shortage in Japan, particularly in the food sector, which is in dire need of automation. Foodly stands about 130 to 150 centimeters tall and is equipped with artificial intelligence and a camera on its head, allowing it to recognize and process ingredients of various shapes. Its main function is to assemble meals on the production line, working alongside humans. It uses object recognition technology to carefully place ingredients into meal containers and avoids mistakes when handling irregular items such as fried chicken or rice balls. Foodly's productivity on the line can reach from 700 to 800 meals per hour, making it an invaluable assistant in the modern food industry. Recently, another unique robot named Humanoid DK has resurfaced, originally introduced back in 2011. At the time, the robot amazed everyone not only with its realistic facial expressions, but also with its striking resemblance to Danish professor Henrik Scharfe from Aalborg University. Geminoid DK was developed by engineer Hiroshi Ishiguro and his team from the Advanced Telecommunications Research Institute International. What sets Geminoid DK apart from other similar machines is that it has a beard, just like the Danish professor. In fact, the beard and all the other hair were manually implanted and trimmed by the same hairdresser who regularly styles Henrik Scharfe. The robot's shoulders, neck, and face are equipped with pneumatic actuators, allowing it to simulate breathing, blink, and change facial expressions. Geminoid DK is designed to study human-robot interaction, particularly the reactions of people when they encounter a robotic version of a real person. Skyline Robotics aims to minimize human effort in high-altitude work, with the introduction of its window-washing robot named Osmo. This robot is designed to automate the process of cleaning skyscraper and other high-rise windows, providing a safer and more efficient alternative to traditional methods. Osmo is equipped with advanced technologies, including artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision, and sensors, along with a robotic arm developed by KUKA. Thanks to these innovations, Osmo can scan building surfaces using LiDAR, memorizing every curve and bend, and precisely controlling pressure during cleaning. With its efficiency, Osmo can clean windows 3 times faster than traditional methods and reduce labor costs by up to 75%. The competitive race to create a humanoid robot that can become the ideal human assistant is intensifying. The German company Robotics has released a new video of its robot 4NE1, which is capable of performing various household and industrial tasks such as ironing clothes, sorting items, and carrying boxes. According to the manufacturer, 4NE1 possesses unique cognitive abilities that allow it to interact with people safely and naturally. A key feature of the robot is its ability to learn. Thanks to artificial intelligence, 4NE1 can analyze its environment and adapt its actions to changing conditions. This makes it a versatile assistant, capable of handling a wide range of situations. The Robotic Systems Lab has developed a high-tech quadruped robot called Animal, designed for autonomously performing complex tasks in extreme conditions. It is equipped with advanced sensors such as laser scanners and cameras, which help it perceive the environment, create maps, and plan safe movement routes. This enables it to navigate effectively over challenging surfaces, including stairs, narrow passages, and slippery or wet areas. Animal's battery provides up to 2 hours of autonomous operation. The robot is also capable of carrying and transporting loads, such as boxes weighing up to 10 kilograms, making it useful for logistics and delivery tasks. This capability expands its applications, allowing the robot to not only inspect sites, but also move objects autonomously. One of the leading companies in the development of future prosthetics is Open Bionics Company. The most modern prosthetics are created using technologies such as 3D printing and artificial intelligence, allowing for customized solutions tailored to individual users. The company utilizes 3D printing to create affordable and functional prosthetics, along with AI technologies. For example, their Hero Arm prosthetics are designed for comfort and functionality, enabling users to perform complex tasks like gripping and moving objects. A major advantage of modern prosthetics is that they can be controlled through neural interfaces which directly connect to the brain, transmitting signals from the nervous system to the bionic limb. This is particularly important because such technologies can allow users to feel and control the prosthesis as if it were a natural part of their body. Hugging Face Company, in collaboration with French company Pollen Robotics, has introduced the first functional humanoid robot under the Le Robot program, named Ricci 2. Ricci 2 is not just another lab experiment. This humanoid robot is capable of performing various household tasks and safely interacting with humans and animals. In a video demonstration, the robot showcases impressive skills. It carefully arranges cups on a dish rack and hands an apple to a person with smooth, safe movements among other tasks. The uniqueness of Ricci 2 lies in its easy training process. Touted as a giant leap forward, Ricci 2 is equipped with brand new bio-inspired arms that can move as smoothly and naturally as human arms, with each arm capable of lifting up to 3 kilograms. At the IFA 2024 Consumer Electronics Show, Chinese company Techno unveiled its robot dog named Dynamic One. Inspired by the popular German Shepherd breed, Dynamic One is designed to mimic a real dog. This robotic dog can climb up and down stairs, shake hands, do handstands, and even jump. Dynamic One can reach speeds of up to 3.7 meters per second and navigate obstacles while running. Its 15,000 mAh battery allows the robot to operate for up to 90 minutes, with the ability to replace battery quickly. Equipped with the AI HyperSense fusion system and an 8-core ARM processor, the robot accurately recognizes its surroundings thanks to a set of sensors, including the RealSense D430 depth camera and infrared sensors. It can be controlled via voice commands, a smartphone, or a remote control. Disney has showcased the training process of their highly anticipated robot rabbit, designed to perform tricks on roller skates. The robot resembles the main character from the animated film Zootopia, a rabbit named Judy wearing a special helmet and vest. In addition, the robot stands on roller skates, enabling it to perform various tricks. The rabbit robot is unlike typical robots as it can move in entirely new ways. It can fall, get up, somersault, and even manage to free itself from a box on its own. However, the robot's main highlight is its ability to skate at high speeds with excellent balance. During testing, the robot was lifted to a height of up to 19.8 meters. It fell from the same height without a safety net and then got up on its own. In the future, this development is planned to be used in new Disneyland parks as a food and beverage carrier. P&D Robotics company has also impressed robotics enthusiasts by unveiling their humanoid robot Atom, which showcases remarkable adaptability to various tasks. This 1.6 meter tall, 60 kilogram robot is equipped with 25 degrees of freedom, allowing it to replicate human movements with exceptional precision. Atom features powerful actuators capable of withstanding up to 340 Newton-meters of torque, providing stability, maneuverability, and the ability to traverse challenging terrains, including running and walking. Atom is also equipped with an advanced real-time motion control system, enabling it to learn using neural networks. The robot can withstand impacts thanks to its sturdy construction and use of high-strength materials. It can also adapt to different environments through sensor and camera modules that can be added to enhance accuracy. Prometheus Robotic Kitchen is an advanced, fully automated cooking system designed to revolutionize food preparation in home and commercial environments. This robotic kitchen is equipped with a variety of utensils and appliances, all controlled by robotic arms capable of handling complex cooking tasks. The system automates everything from chopping, stirring, mixing, to cooking dishes on stovetops or ovens. It's designed to integrate with a smart home system, enabling users to control it remotely via mobile apps or voice assistants. This kitchen also aims to reduce food waste and energy consumption by using exact portions and optimal cooking methods. The robotic arms are engineered with sensors that allow them to mimic human dexterity, making the system versatile enough to handle even delicate tasks like garnishing or serving. Ford Company has decided to ease the workload for its employees and has begun the mass rollout of ExoVest exoskeleton suits across all of its factories. After successfully completing trials in the United States, the ExoVest suits will be introduced at 15 of the company's plants worldwide. As stated by the company, building a car is physically demanding work, and we care about our staff and want to reduce the physical strain on our assembly workers. The ExoVest's purpose is to reduce muscle fatigue for workers performing repetitive tasks with their arms raised, such as assembly workers operating underneath vehicles. ExoVest is one of the latest innovations in the field of exoskeleton development, aimed at augmenting human capabilities. This means they either enhance the effectiveness of effort or reduce the physical burden on workers performing heavy mechanical tasks. Wabian 2 is a humanoid robot developed at Waseda University in Japan to study human movement and create rehabilitation equipment. This robot can imitate human walking thanks to its flexible pelvis, legs with 6 degrees of freedom, and unique joints that allow it to perform full heel-to-toe movements. Wabian 2 is also used for testing rehabilitation equipment and can perform exercises alongside humans, aiding in the research of motor function recovery. The robot stands 148 centimeters tall, weighs 64 kilograms, and has a total of 41 degrees of freedom. Following upgrades to its design, Wabian 2 can now step in place, with each step taking just 0.6 seconds, which is the same amount of time as a human step. Kangxi Robot Catering Group has introduced a fully automated restaurant located in China, where all processes from cooking to serving are handled by robotic machines. The restaurant utilizes over 40 robots that can prepare and serve around 200 different dishes, including traditional Chinese cuisine, hot meals, and fast food. Orders are placed through robot waiters using touchscreens. Once the food is ready, it is delivered to the table via a special skyrail system or trays that robots move around the dining area. The robot chefs are trained by imitating the actions of experienced chefs and can prepare up to 120 dishes per hour. The restaurant can serve up to 600 guests at a time, and its robotic system ensures a fast and hygienic experience, minimizing human contact and reducing the risk of contamination. Let us know in the comments if you would like to visit such a restaurant. Throughout history, people have consistently developed technologies to make life easier and help overcome physiological limitations. Such technologies significantly expand existing capabilities, creating new sensory, physical, mental, and emotional abilities. One example of these future technologies is the Genium X3, the best above-knee prosthetic system of all time. Anatomically, the prosthesis can perform from 70 to 80% of the actions a real knee joint can. Through the connection it establishes with the user, it helps overcome the challenges associated with amputation. The Genium X3 is suitable for all active and passive professions and hobbies, whether demanding or not, and provides comfort in adverse conditions like water and dust. Additionally, the Genium X3 enhances the user's quality of life by increasing their safety. The design of these prosthetics reduces strain on the user and ensures greater security. These scientifically proven benefits help users lead a more active lifestyle. Bangkok is an amazing city that has something to offer for every curious tourist. For example, if you step off the traditional tourist routes and delve deeper into the city, you may stumble upon a very unusual restaurant called Hajime Robot Restaurant. Upon arriving, you'll first need to decide whether you'd like to order pre-prepared dishes from traditional Thai, Japanese, or European cuisine, or if you'd prefer to cook for yourself. After placing your order, a funny samurai robot will arrive with everything you need. Once you've finished your meal, the robot will take away the dirty dishes. These skillful robots are great at lifting spirits, often flirting and behaving charmingly. If you're visiting with children, they might even perform a dance for you. The prices at the restaurant are quite modest, with an average bill typically not exceeding $20. This place is a must-visit for all robotics enthusiasts, as it's impossible to leave disappointed. Megasaurus is a massive fire-breathing, car-crushing robotic dinosaur designed for thrilling destruction shows at events such as Monster Jam. Standing over 3 stories tall and weighing 50,000 pounds, Megasaurus has a hydraulic system that powers its massive arms and claws, capable of crushing and tearing apart vehicles with 15,000 pounds of force. During the show, Megasaurus rolls into the arena on a tank-like chassis, then transforms into a towering, flame-spewing dinosaur, complete with glowing red eyes. This mechanical behemoth is supported by a tank-like chassis and uses advanced hydraulics to transform from a vehicle into a towering dinosaur-like figure. Its primary function is to entertain audiences by demolishing cars, breathing fire, and creating a spectacle of destruction. Originally created for entertainment purposes, Megasaurus has since become a staple at monster truck shows and other destruction-based events. Audiences are often thrilled not only by its raw power, but by its theatrical destruction sequences. The Chinese company Jieluo Intelligent has introduced its new development in the form of a robot designed for automated wafer handling in semiconductor factories called GaiRobot. This robot falls into the category of automated mobile robots and is intended for transporting semiconductor wafers in clean rooms. GaiRobot uses SLAM laser navigation technology and is equipped with 6 axes for handling objects such as wafer cassettes with diameters of 8 and 12 inches, as well as other components required in semiconductor manufacturing. The robot's navigation system provides accuracy within 10 millimeters, and its manipulators can operate with a precision range of 0.1 to 1 millimeter. Its design allows for precise positioning with a high response speed, making it ideal for automated production lines. But that's not all of the abilities of the Chinese robot dog. The Juing X20 with a robotic arm is a modified version of the quadruped robotic dog. This robot is equipped not only with the basic platform for navigating difficult terrains, but also with a functional robotic arm, which significantly expands its capabilities. The primary purpose of this system is to perform complex manipulations in dangerous and hard-to-reach places for humans. The arm has multiple degrees of freedom, allowing it to perform a wide range of tasks, such as lift, move, and place objects with high precision and accuracy. It can also be used to interact with real-world objects such as opening doors, using tools, operating machinery, pressing buttons, and other manipulations. Looks like another incredibly promising development from China. These are small humanoid robots developed by Japanese engineer Tomotaka Takahashi, founder of Robo Garage, in collaboration with Sharp Corporation. You are witnessing a unique spectacle. 100 small humanoid robots designed by Tomotaka Takahashi are dancing together. This is an example of how modern technology can synchronize and coordinate the complex movements of multiple robots at the same time. The dancing Robi robots are compact devices, about 34 centimeters tall and weighing around 1 kilogram. They are equipped with 20 servo motors that enable smooth and precise movements, such as walking, waving, and even dancing. In addition to the motors, they have built-in infrared sensors, a microphone, and a camera, which help the robots recognize their environment and respond to voice commands. Robi can perform various tasks, interact with users, and even engage in simple conversations. Its rechargeable battery allows it to operate for about 2 hours. At a recent robotics exhibition in Japan, Mugen showcased an updated version of its advanced robot designed to handle goods of various types and sizes, capable of picking them from containers or conveyors. The robot uses Mugen's proprietary 3D vision system, which accurately recognizes and processes a wide range of items, from boxes to bottles and flexible packages. The system can autonomously recognize over 300,000 different types of products, making it ideal for large warehouses. Mugen robots can carefully place items into containers without damaging them, which is especially important when dealing with fragile products like electronics and pharmaceuticals. Mugen robots are widely used in industries such as e-commerce, pharmaceuticals, and warehousing, where automating sorting, packing, and order fulfillment processes helps increase efficiency. The startup Hyperfood Robotics has kept up with technological progress by developing a fully automated fast food restaurant. This innovative restaurant is equipped with robots that handle all kitchen functions, including preparing pizzas, burgers, salads, and other dishes without human involvement. The establishment is a container kitchen equipped with 2 robotic arms, 120 sensors, and 20 AI-powered cameras. The robots can make up to 50 pizzas per hour using 3 convection ovens, a conveyor system, an automatic slicer and packager, as well as 30 pizza warming cabinets and ingredient storage systems. The robots perform all tasks independently, from kneading dough to packaging finished dishes, and even clean themselves every 40 minutes using ozonated water, which kills bacteria and viruses. Chinese company Fourier Intelligence has unveiled its new humanoid robot GR2, which promises to be a significant step forward in robotic industry. While details about its capabilities are still limited, the release teaser shows basic movements like finger bending and walking. However, it's already clear that GR2 is an improved version of its predecessor, designed for a wider range of tasks. The GR2's predecessor, GR1, was equipped with 40 degrees of freedom, could lift up to 50 kilograms, and featured 6 camera vision, allowing it to accurately perceive its surroundings. In the United States, a restaurant has also opened where robots prepare and serve the dishes. Artificial intelligence will control all processes from cooking to serving, and customers can watch the robot chef Flippy 2 in action. Customers can place orders through an interactive screen using widgets, then watch as robots grill hamburger patties, package fries, and pour drinks. Engineers from Miso Robotics, who created Flippy 2, believe it will be a kind of show for visitors. The robots are attached to special rails, simplifying and controlling their movements around the kitchen. Essentially, these are robotic arms capable of grabbing, moving, lifting, and lowering items. Tasks like grinding beef, forming patties, and adding sauces are handled by the AI system. During the first few days of operation, employees from a nearby fast food joint will oversee Flippy 2. If it performs well, it will be left to operate on its own. Japanese engineers from Tokyo Robotics brought their humanoid robot Torobo to the exhibition, and its capabilities are truly impressive. This robot can wipe tables, hammer nails, saw wood, move heavy objects, and much more. The robot can lift up to 8 kilograms with one hand, and the maximum force it can apply reaches 20 kilograms in certain positions, making it ideal for heavy industrial tasks such as moving and stacking loads. Torobo is equipped with 7-axis manipulators, allowing it to effectively mimic human arm movements and perform precise manipulations with objects. Its ability to work with different items is enhanced by integrated cameras and sensors that enable it to recognize and analyze its surroundings, interacting with high precision. Today, this robot already surpasses humans in many ways, and soon it may completely replace them in certain tasks. The Japanese startup Jinki Itai brought a 12-meter humanoid robot to the exhibition, capable of lifting and moving heavy loads such as steel pipes, sheets, or wires. It essentially mimics the movements of a real human operator in the control cabin. The robot is operated by a single engineer using a VR headset, allowing operators to see their actions through cameras installed in the robot's eyes. Jinki's robot will also be used for tree felling, obstacle removal, infrastructure painting, and signal equipment replacement. The need for robots arose due to Japan's labor shortage, which has long been an issue due to the rapidly aging population. Currently, around 29% of the country is over the age of 65, leading to a significant shortage of workers in many industries. Robots are not only expected to solve this problem, but also to increase the safety of human workers by taking over dangerous tasks. A new passive exoskeleton designed to support the back, shoulders, and knees during physically demanding work has been introduced by Mawashi Science and Technology. The Uplift exoskeleton is aimed at reducing the risk of musculoskeletal disorders and increasing human endurance. Weighing just 5.7 kilograms, it is lightweight and comfortable for extended use. The key feature of Uplift is its autonomy, because it does not require an external power source such as a battery. Instead, it utilizes mechanical systems and elastics that store and release energy. The Uplift exoskeleton can reduce muscle fatigue by up to 60%, decrease back strain by 50%, and increase lifting strength by 25%. YouTuber and former NASA engineer Mark Rober created a unique puzzle-solving robot that significantly outpaces human speed. This project gained widespread popularity thanks to his YouTube video, where he demonstrates the machine's ability to solve puzzles with incredible precision and speed. While Rober claims the robot works 200 times faster than a human, it's worth noting that the development took 3 years and was filled with technical challenges. Rober's robot is a powerful demonstration of modern technology and machine learning capabilities. The project combines elements of robotics and computer vision algorithms, which help the robot identify individual puzzle pieces and accurately match them for assembly. The robot uses cameras and sensors to analyze the shape, color, and other characteristics of each puzzle piece. After the analysis, robotic manipulators carefully lift the pieces and place them in their correct positions. The company Cafe X has launched a fully autonomous coffee bar capable of preparing drinks without human involvement. Their Robotic Coffee Bar 2.0 features a robotic barista that makes coffee to order using a mechanical arm. This is not just a technological novelty, but a practical solution for fast and high-quality beverage service in various locations, such as office buildings, airports, or shopping malls. The unit takes up only 40 square feet and can be installed almost anywhere. Customers can order drinks through a kiosk or an application, after which the robot precisely prepares a variety of beverages. Columbia engineers have developed a humanoid robot called EMO, designed to mimic and predict human facial expressions. EMO features a silicone face with 26 actuators that allow for highly detailed and realistic facial movements, giving the robot the ability to display complex emotions like humans. One of EMO's standout abilities is its predictive smile. The robot can anticipate facial expressions like a smile before it fully appears on a person's face, thanks to its advanced AI system. The robot uses two artificial intelligence models. One analyzes subtle changes in human facial features, while the other activates the corresponding motor functions to replicate those expressions almost in real time. EMO's creators at Columbia's Creative Machines Laboratory envision that robots with emotional intelligence could one day be companions or assistants, capable of understanding and responding empathetically. The Japanese company Cyberdyne has introduced the hybrid assistive limb exoskeleton, designed to assist in emergency situations and post-disaster recovery. This exoskeleton, developed to reduce the physical strain on the user, uses advanced technology to read biopotential signals. With sensors that detect weak electrical signals from the skin, hybrid assistive limb enhances the user's movements and reduces physical effort. In its basic version for lower limbs, it weighs around 15 kilograms, making it light enough for extended wear. The hybrid assistive limb exoskeleton was used, for example, during recovery efforts after severe floods in Japan, assisting rescuers and volunteers with heavy physical tasks, such as clearing debris and transporting materials.